Hello my dear students, good afternoon all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome back to your online classes. This is your Tassim sir my dear students, and today we are going to learn exercise number 11 question number 4 and 5. Okay, as per yesterday we have done question number 3 and we have started at question number 4. Okay, so now write the name of chapter money and here exercise. Exercise number 11A. Understood all? So you note down these all things in your book, my dear all. And then we will move on further all dear. What we have done yesterday, first of all recall this all things: subtraction and multiplication. Multiplication we have done in the last question number 4. Multiply we have done question number A to F, G, H and I. We have 3 questions left over there. Okay, and then after we are going to learn question number 5, divide. So now first of all here we are going to complete that question. Question number 4, multiply. So my points, all my dear all students, what I am telling you, you have noted down these things in your book. Question number G. Okay, 8.25 multiplied by 8. Okay dear all, so you have to note down these things with me all. How many questions we have left? We have 3 questions left. Okay, we have 3 questions left, and then we will move on further. Question number 5, divide. Then we will move on to question number 5, my dear students. 8 5s are okay. Now I'm going to start the things. Okay, so 8 5s are 14. 14 off, 4 carry and 0 down. But my points, 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4, 16 plus 4, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay, 20 off, 0 here and 2 as a form of carry. But my points are my dear students, understood? And then we will going to put the point here. Okay. Then after my dear students, 8 8s are 64. 64 plus how many my dear students? 64 plus 2. So 64 plus 2, 65 and 66. So answer is what? 66. Got my points? Understood? So you note down the answer. So you note down this answer, my dear students, in your book. I hope you all understood all here. Then we will move on to question number 8. Okay, you have to write in your fair book either rough book. Compulsory you have to note down these all things in your book all here. Question number 8, 7.15 multiplied by 6. Okay, all here. So my points, all my dear students. So now let's start here. We are going to solve this sum. 6 zeros are 0. Why? Any number, as per I was told you, any number multiplied with 0, so we got the 0. 0 6 are 0, 0 5 are. How many my dear students? 30. 13 of 0 here and 3 is a form of carry. Then what to do? We put the point same place on here. Okay, we put the point on the same place here. Understood, my dear students? Got my points? Then after 6 7s are. How many, my dear students? How many? 6 7s are. How many, my dear students? 6 6s are 36 and 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 3. So 43, 44 and 45. So answer is what? 45. My points for my dear students. Answer is what? 45 rupees. Understood, my dear all students? So you note down this question number H, dear book. You have to note down. You have to write a proper amount and compulsory, my dear all students, put a rupees symbol with the, and in answer you have to also make a box and also you have to write the symbol. Understood, all my dear students? What I am telling you, you have to write the all things in your book all here. And then we are going to start the question number, last question number I. So now I am going to start the question number I here. 4.75 multiplied by 9. My points, all my dear students, multiply by 9. Okay, so my dear students, 5 9s are how many? 5 9s are 54. Okay, 54 of 5 here and 4 is a form of carry. Okay, and 9 7s are 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 4. 63 plus 4. 64, 65, 66 and 67. 67 of 7 here and 6 as a form of carry. Then we are going to put the point here. Okay. 9 4s are 4 9s are how many, my dear students? 36. 36 plus 6. So 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Okay, and 42. So my points for my dear students. So answer is what? 42.75. 42 rupees and 75 paisa. Understood? For my points all here. You have to write down the small things in your book all. 42 rupees and 75 paisa. And then we will going to start the question number 5, divide. Before starting divide, division of money, before you have to write this question number 4. Question number 4, multiply G, H and I. Do fast. I hope you all understood, all my dear. In this exercise, my dear students, we have a question. How many question? Total 8 question. Okay. After the question number 4, a new question. Question number 5 is divide. Means division of money. Then after application in real life. Otherwise, question number 6 is a word problem. Okay, word problem, solving a word problem. Then after the application in real life. And then question number 8 is multiply or divide. That all things we are going to learn, my dear students. Okay, so now I am going to start here the question number 5. Question number 5. Divide. Okay, divide. But my points on my dear students, question number 5 is divide. So now in question number 5, first question is that 30 rupees divided by 5. My points on my dear all students. Okay, so now attention here all. Okay, in table number 5, my dear students, 3 will come or not? Okay, first of all, how many digits we will going to take? We will going to take a 2 digits. Okay, so 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, and 5 sixes are 30. So we get here the answer. 5 threes are, sorry, 5 sixes are, how many, my dear students? 6. So answer is what? All 6 rupees. But my points, answer is what? 6 rupees. Then after we will going to move on question number B. Question number B is what? 56 divided by 4. Okay, 56 rupees divided by 4. So in table number, my dear students, in table number 4, 56 will come or not? So how many digits we are going to take? We are going to take only one digit. Okay? But my points, 4 ones are 4. 5 minus 4. How many left? 1. And then what to do? Then after we bringing down the further digits. So here I am bringing down here. Next is 6. But my points are, my dear students, bringing down here 6. Okay, understood all my dear students? We will be bringing down 6 here. Then after in table number 4, all dear students, 16 will come or not? Yes. 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are how many, my dear students? 16. Okay, so what we get the answer here? 14. So answer is what? 14 rupees. But my points, all my dear students, we have to note down this whole thing. And then after we will move on to question number 3 all here. Question number 3 is what? 96. 96 divided by 8. Okay. My points. So 8 ones are 8. Here only we are going to take how many digits? 1 digit. First digit. 8 ones are 8. 9 minus 8. So how many left, my dear students? 1. Then after we will go to bringing down our 6. Okay. In table number 8, 16 will come or not? Here 16 will come. But where, my dear students? 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. So now we are going to write 8 twos are 16. Put my points for my dear all students. 16 minus 16. How many all? 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Okay. So answer is what? 12. 12 rupees. 96 divided by 8 is equal to 12. Got my point all here? Okay, so now you want to down the question number A, B or C. I hope you all understood all here. I'll give you time to write in here. And compulsory make a rupees symbol all here. So now my dear students, further we are going to do our question number D, E and F. So now I am going to write here the question number. Which question? D, E and F, my dear students. So do fast on my dear students, we have to move on further question all. So now we will going to start the question number D. Okay, my dear all students. So now I am going to start here the question number D all. (57) divided by 3, 57. How many dear students? 57 divided by 3. Put my points on my dear students. So now we are going to start this question. Okay, in table number only how many digits I am going to take? Only one digit. Okay, 3 ones are 3. Okay, 5 minus 3. How many left all dear students? 2. 5 minus 3 I am going to, okay, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 left. Then what to do? Then after we will going to take a So dear, what we have to do? 5 minus 3 is equal to how many on your dear students? 2. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, and then we will bring it down as 7. So I am going to put here the 7. In table number 3, 27 will come or not, my dear students? Yes, obviously 27 will come in the table number 3. But where are my dear students? 3 nines are where? 3 nines are 27. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0 and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So answer is what? 90 rupees. 57 divided by 3 is equal to 90. My point all here. So answer is what? 19 rupees. How many rupees all here? 19 rupees. Understood? What my points? I hope you all understood all here. And then we are going to start the question number 8. 80 divided by 5. 80 divided by 5. It's 80 rupees. We have to divide equally on 5. But my points, all my dear students, you have to note down these four things in your book all. So in table number 5, it will become no. So 5 ones are 5. But my points, 5 ones are 5. Understood all my dear students? 5 ones are 5. 8 minus 5. How many left all my dear students? 8 minus 5. So we all left there. And then after we bring it down this 0 here. Then what? We have to bring it down this 0. Understood? In table number 5, 30 will come or not? Obviously 30 will come, but where? 5 5s are 25 and 5 6s are 30. 5 6s are how many my dear students? 3 0 30. Understood? What my points on my dear students? Okay, I hope you all understood earlier. Then after we will go on to question number F. First of all, note down this question number. $72 divided by 6, my dear students. 72 rupees divided equally 6. 72 divided equally 6. What my points, all my dear students? Okay, so what to do? We have to take only one digit. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. How many my dear students? 6 ones are 6. Okay, 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Then after what to do? Then after we do we bring it down up to here. In table number 6, my dear students, 12 will come or not? Yes, obviously 12 will come. But where? 6 2s are 12. So answer is what, my dear students? 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So answer is what? 12. Understood? Good night, points all my dear students. So you want the answer in your book all. Then we will move on further all my dear. Then I am going to start here the question number G. So let's write with me all question number G. Question number G is what? 161 divided by 7. 161 divided by 7. But my points all my dear students. So in table number 7, 16 will come or not? No. So we take the less than to 16. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Okay. 6 minus 4. How many left? 2. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Then what to do? Then after we bring it down this 1 here. It's made at 20. Okay, in table number 7, my dear students, 21 will come or not? Yes, obviously 21 will come. But where? 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So answer is what, all my dear students? 23. How many? Answer is what? 23. Understood? What my points, my all dear students? So you note down this answer in your book. Do fast. And then we will move on further on here. Question number H. Question number H is what will be 128 divided by 8. Okay. So 128 divided by how many? 8. Okay. So my dear all students, what we have to do here, we have to do 8 ones are 8. So my points are, my dear students, 2 minus x, is this possible? No. So what to take the board? 12 minus 8. So how many we have over there? 4. And cut and put the 0. Understood? And then we will going to bring it down 8 here. Okay. So in table number 8, 48 will come or not, my dear students? 48 will come or not? 8 6 are 48. Yes, it's come. 8 6 are 48. Okay. So 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So answer is what? 16. Okay. 16. So you note down this answer. You do fast forward here. And then last question number I, 504 divided by 9. Okay, 504 divided by 9. So my points on, my dear all students. Divided by 9. Understood all? So in table number 9, 5 will come or not? So 5 ones are, sorry, 9 5s are how many, my dear students? 54. Sorry, 44. Okay. 5 9s are how many, my dear students? You have to note down the answer. You have to do fast with me all here. Okay. 9 5s are 56. Okay, so how many left over there? 0 minus 5. It's not possible to take the root. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Then cut the 5 into the small. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Then after we will going to take the bring it down 4 here. Okay, then what we have to do? We will bring it down 4 here. In table number 9, 54 will become or not? Obviously it's come. But 9 6 are 54. Okay, so 4 minus 4 is equal to 0, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So answer is what? 56 rupees. Okay, so 504 divided by 9 is equal to 56. Understood? You have to write all things in your book, all my dear students. Question number I. Question number I. So you have to note down this whole sum. I hope you all understood, my dear all students. Understood? Okay, so my dear students, I hope you all understood and I hope you all are enjoying this lecture. Okay, thank you so much, my dear students, for watching this video.